and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to share with you how to make, this is like a side salad recipe. This is something that I grew up eating again that I love. It's literally like a handful of ingredients. The main part, like the dressing part of it, it's basically just sour cream, which you guys know I have like an obsession with. So I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I honestly know this is going to be really strange for you, but I promise you I would not share anything that I don't 100% believe in or I don't actually eat myself. So I hope you guys give it a try and let's get to it. Okay, so for this we're going to start out with 3 eggs and you're just going to boil these. So what I do is I bring my water up to a boil, let them cook for 8 minutes, shut it off, let them sit in the water for 5 minutes, and then we're going to let them cool completely before we go ahead and do our next step. But basically we're just going to boil these bad boys first. Okay, so here are my eggs. They look a little wonky, but what are you going to do? I let them cool completely, and all I'm going to do now is just kind of dice them. And again, you want them bite size, enough to kind of blend nicely in with your lettuce, but you can make them as big or as small as you want, honestly. There's no right or wrong. You can't go wrong here. So, there we go, just like so. And if the yolk comes out, totally okay. Do not panic. And again, if you want more yolk, you can do that too. I mean more egg. You can do 4 eggs, 5 eggs, 6 eggs, whatever you want. I just kind of like this ratio to egg mixture. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now to this, we are going to add in, hold on one second, sour cream. So I don't know, about a cup or so. Yeah, a cup is good. And then you're just gonna mix it with your egg. The beautiful thing about this is if you don't want to eat the salad right away, you don't have to. What you can do is just put this in the fridge and add in your lettuce at a later time. So here we go. Okay. And then to this, you're going to add in a generous pinch of salt. Okay. I'm going to mix this up. And then I'm going to cut up my lettuce. And then I'll show you what I mean when I say you don't have to use it all. Okay, so here's my lettuce. I think this is called butterhead lettuce. This is my favorite to use in the salad. All I'm going to do is chop up enough to fill my bowl because I don't think that I'll be able to eat the whole head of lettuce, but we'll see what fits in here. And I just chop it up like that. You can also like give them a rough toss or rip or whatever if you want. I feel like a majority of these will just fit in here, but you can use the dressing we just made and leave it in the fridge for like a couple of days and just add it to your salads as you go. Right, I think this is going to be it for mine. The rest I'm going to save and I'm going to use when I need it. So let me just rip this one apart. Let me set this aside. Okay, so we have our mixture. I'm going to add in a scoop, maybe 2 scoops. The rest I'm going to set aside and cover in the fridge. And I'm just going to mix my salad with this. Look at that. Look at that. Divine. Divine. Let me give it a try. Oh. So good. So good. All right. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you later.